Hello everyone, welcome to NIRH channel. Dear students, in yesterday's class we have seen the ninth main by finding the unknown angles. Now see 10th and 11th are the homework for you. See that today you have to do the homework. Which one? 10th and the 11th. Simple are there. By using what I taught, that by using the all property you can prove the what is the 10th and the 11th one. Now today we'll see the 12th example. It is very important. Many years they ask this question for the 4 marks. Now little lengthy is there. Now little means so much lengthy is there, but easy method. So we'll see that how much possible is there. Today we'll see that maybe a half. Now remaining part we'll see that tomorrow. Clear? Now see what the given 12th question. See the carefully here. A triangle ABC is drawn to a circumscribe. See that triangle ABC is drawn to a circumscribe of a circle. See what is mean by circumscribe. Circumscribe means the three sides of triangles are touches to the circle. That is called as the circumscribe of a circle of a radius 4 centimeter. Now see, this is the radius. How much is there? 4 centimeter. Such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by. Now see that segment BD and CD, BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact. See what is the point of the contact? The common point of the tangent to the circle. Already we learned that in the beginning of this lesson. What is the point of the contact? The common point of the tangent to the circle is called as the point of contact. Now see, D is the point of the contact or of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This point of contact is divided by the BC into the 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the side AB and AC. Find the side AB and AC. They ask the question now. Now see, observe the figure. What you can say about now this line and this line. Yes, these two are the tangents. Tangents from the external point to the circle are equal. Similar, these two are the tangents from the external point B. Similar, these two tangents from the external point of the A. These always two tangents from the external point to the circles are equal. We have seen already in the theorem now. Clear? Now see, this is the given part. I hope you understood what they given, then what you have to find now. Now come to the, I have to draw in the question diagram. Now little bit construction is there. We'll see. Yes, see children, in the given figure, you have to join. See, OC, argue that OCO, and this is the E, and similar from this point, this is the F, and from A to D. You have to join these all, because you can easily find that which is the tangents of the circle. Clear? Now see, one point you have to remember. We learned that about the tangents. I will write now, that is a very important point here. Before solving this example, you have to write that property here. Now the lengths of tangents, the lengths of tangents drawn from a point, outside the circle, outside the circle to the circle to the circle or to the circle to the tangents are equal. Circle to the tangents are equal. Tangents are equal. Now this is a very important now. Now see, because by using this property only we are going to find the length AC and AB. Now see in the diagram, CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Then what about the CF here? This is also 6 centimeter because CD and CF are the two tangents from the external point C. Similar, BD is 8 centimeter. What is the BE? This is also 8 centimeter because BE and BD are the tangents from the external point to the circle B. Clear? Then similar, see EF and EA is equal because these are the two tangents from the external point A. So this is unknown. So you have to apply the this is the X and this is also X because both are equal. So you have to take the unknown value, that is the unknown variable X and the X. Clear? Now see, you have to write here in the down. AF is equal to AE is equal to how much? We took that X. Understood? Now these are the two tangents because you written that property already. Clear? Now similar, come to the down. Yes. Next CF is equal to CD is equal to how much there? 6 centimeter. I hope you understood. Now what is the given? You have to write that first proper. Similar, see that BE is equal to BD is equal to how much is there? 8 centimeter. Clear? These are the total 6 tangents here. Now take the total length AB. So AB is equal to, what is the AB is equal to? X plus 8 centimeter. Similar, AC is equal to 6 plus X or X plus 6 centimeter. Then CB is equal to, how much is there? CB is equal to 6 plus 8 centimeter is equal to how much here? 14 centimeter is the CD. See, out of 3 sides of triangle, we know that only one side, that is the 14 centimeter. This is X plus 6, X plus 8. See that 3 sides are different measurement. So which triangle this one? A triangle have 3 sides are different means that is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, see that if there is don't know that sides of the triangle. See, in the last year we learned that one Heron's formula. Now by using that Heron's formula, you can find the side. Either it is the equilateral triangle or right angle. A triangle is there which you can easily find by using the perimeter formula. But here 3 sides are different, that is a scalene triangle. So by using the Heron's formula only, we can find that unknown length here. So now see that I will stop here only, student. It is not completed, so it is so lengthy is there. So remaining part here, see that by using the Heron's formula, we know that what is the Heron's formula. Heron's formula, area of Heron's triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into bracket S minus B into bracket S minus C. What is mean by S? S means semi-perimeter. Then see that you know that what is the semi-perimeter? Sum of 3 sides divided by 2. We'll see that tomorrow. And then what is mean by ABC? ABC are the 3 sides of the triangle. Now by using that formula, how can we find that area of this triangle? We'll see in the tomorrow. Correct? I hope you understood this one. See that is not completed. Still lengthy is there. We'll see that because no time, because for uploading this one half an hour. It becomes there to complete this example minimum you have to require more than half an hour. So it is not a correct time. So we will see that remaining part in the next period. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.